Hi guys, I hope you all are doing really well and taking ample care of yourself along with your family members in this difficult global time altogether. So guys, in this video I'm gonna talk about immigration process at Toronto Pearson Airport now, or you can say any Canadian port of entry. So guys, before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to us. This is your own channel. And please share and subscribe to support this channel. Alright guys, so a lot of people were asking that what exactly is the immigration process, and I was trying to find out this information. So I'm part of many Facebook groups, so there one person updated his experience. So he came on 17th of May, so it's around 2 to 3 weeks, and definitely this 14 days quarantine period rule was in place then as well. So what he said, that he was asked to fill a form. Of course, that we all do know that we have to fill, but this time along with the quarantine address, it is asked. So he filled that information. He was asked for details, questioning, and all, and then he was released because he had a credible plan for the quarantine. But that's not the end of it. What happened is, like, after 1 week, he got a call from immigration again, just to make sure that he was at the same address and quarantining himself. So he answered and it was good. Then again after a week, somebody from immigration came to the front door. They knocked the door, and they verified if the person was still there as well or not. So this happened within those 14 days of quarantine. Now, having said that, I'm not in a position to say that they are doing this with every candidate or not, but this is a general practice, and this makes sense because if they are releasing somebody from airport to let it into the country with a credible 14 days of quarantine plan, it is also their responsibility to ensure that the system is not abused. In other terms, they need to make sure that people, those who are claiming with a credible plan of quarantine themselves, are actually doing it. So this is what happened with the guy. He went through this at all, and it's fine, because if you put an address that for 14 days you're going to be at quarantine, so within 14 days they can come any time to check that you are exactly at that period or not, because during this quarantine period you are not allowed to go out. It's like cornering yourself so that you are under quarantine to stop this problem. So this is what happened to him, and I think the similar process would be for others as well, because now for everyone, including workers or whoever wants to do landing, this process is in place. So whoever comes in needs to go to this, but this is what the process was followed, and I got this information, so I thought of sharing this with you guys. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to us. This is your own channel. Thank you guys.